Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond Infinity. Today we will discuss who was Albert Einstein, the genius who changed our world. When you hear the word genius, one name instantly comes to mind, Albert Einstein. The man with wild hair, sharp eyes, and a brain that reshaped our understanding of the universe. But who really was Einstein? What made him so extraordinary? And why does his name remain a symbol of intelligence, even today? Let's dive deep into the life, discoveries, and legacy of Albert Einstein. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Ulm, Germany. As a child he was curious but not considered brilliant. In fact, some teachers thought he was slow because he spoke late. But young Albert had a unique way of thinking. He was fascinated by compasses, light, and the mysteries of nature. At 5 years old, when his father showed him a magnetic compass, Albert became obsessed with the invisible forces guiding the needle. That curiosity shaped his destiny. Einstein did not fit into traditional schools. He disliked rote learning. Eventually he studied physics and mathematics at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. After graduation he struggled to find a job as a professor. Instead he worked as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. Ironically, this quiet office job gave him time to think, and think he did. In 1905, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers in the journal Annalen Physik. This year is known as his Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year. Photoelectric effect explained how light can knock out electrons from a metal surface. This laid the foundation of quantum physics. He later won the Nobel Prize in Physics, 1921, for this work. Brownian motion proved the existence of atoms and molecules. Special theory of relativity introduced the idea that time and space are not absolute, they are relative. Mass-energy equivalence. From this came his most famous equation, E equals sign mc2, meaning mass can be converted into energy. In 1915, Einstein developed the general theory of relativity. This theory showed that gravity is not just a force, it's the curvature of space and time caused by massive objects. In 1919, his theory was confirmed during a solar eclipse when starlight bent around the sun, just as Einstein predicted. Overnight, he became a global celebrity. His face appeared on newspapers worldwide. Einstein was outspoken about peace, humanity, and freedom. Being Jewish, he fled Nazi Germany in 1933 and moved to the United States. He worked at Princeton University until his death in 1955. Though he signed a letter warning the US about nuclear weapons, he later campaigned strongly against war and nuclear arms. Special relativity, 1905. Time and space are relative depending on speed. General relativity, 1915. Gravity is the bending of space-time. Photoelectric effect. Light behaves like particles, photons. E equals sign mc2, mass and energy are interchangeable. Albert Einstein wasn't just a physicist, he was a dreamer who dared to question the universe. His ideas bent the rules of time, space, and energy, and in doing so, changed our world forever. So the next time someone calls you curious, remember, that curiosity might just change the universe, like it did for Einstein. What do you think was Einstein's most impactful discovery? E equals sign mc2 relativity, or his role in quantum physics? Let me know in the comments below.